Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a twist on a classic brown smoky eye. I have been wanting to do something like this for a while. You guys know that I just can't stay away from color, and today I was like, you know what? I want to do something like a blown out look. I feel like I haven't done a like smoky blown out look in a while, and I wanted to of course add a pop of color. I originally wanted to create this look with the new Pure Cosmetics and Raw Beauty Christie palette. Unfortunately, my palette hasn't even shipped out yet, so I don't know when it's going to get here, but as soon as it does, I will make sure to give you guys some bomb makeup looks. Like, I have already brainstormed some ideas, but with that said, you guys, go ahead and get comfortable, put your comfy little socks on. I have my socks on, but they're super dirty, so don't mind them. Grab your coffee, grab your drinks, grab your snacks, sit down, relax, grab your brushes and your palette if you guys are going to get glammed with me. And let's get started with today's Makeup Monday look. Let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial, you guys. I've already primed my lids using my concealer. You guys know that's usually my typical routine. Now we're going to start off with the eyes. Of course, the face is already done. I have a base done. I have my base done, so we're going to start with the eyes today. I am going to take this Pro blending brush by Beauty Junkies, I think. This is pretty old, and I'm going to start with the deepest shade in this palette. The shade I'm going in with is called Intuition, and it's this dark brown. I'm going to take that and I'm going to start packing it on. I like to start closest to the lash line, and then I will work my way up. I'm going to take my brush and just clean it off in my little Verona Mona colors, which I forgot the name for a second. And I am going to use the same brush. I just don't want to have a lot of product in here. And I'm going to dip into my second shade, which is going to be Slow Burn. And it's this one at the top. It's a really pretty like cinnamon shade. Do you guys see that? It reminds me of like Teddy by, what's it called? I forgot. Makeup Geek. That used to be like my jam. I love that shade. I'm actually going to switch brushes. Morphe M433. Yep. And again, digging into Slow Burn. I feel like the shade is very common in a lot of palettes, but it's absolutely stunning. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to like lay it on top of that brown. This does have slightly orange undertones, and I'm just slowly building that onto the crease. I'm going to bring up the brown a little bit up higher, but I'm just going to work on this color first, just blending it. I don't apply too much product in the beginning, but what I like to do to intensify the color is just go back and reapply. So you just want to keep going, dipping your brush back in and blending as you go. As you can see, I am not putting a lot of pressure on the eyes, and I'm mainly like sweeping it. This is going to help you blend the eyeshadow as you lay it down. And then I'm just going to slightly wing it out. Slightly. I'm going to go back into Intuition, and I'm actually going to pick up a flat brush. I feel like this is going to help me pack on the color a little bit better. And I'm just going to apply that into the lid again and just bring it up a little bit higher this time. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of Slow Burn. And I'm actually going to mix the shade Slow Burn and Haul. And those two shades are also going to go into the crease just to get a better transition between intuition and slow burn. Now I'm going to take my next shade, which is a Pillow Talk, and it's this matte vanilla shade. Oh, this one at the very end. It is a matte vanilla shade. And again, I'm just using a flat brush for that. And I'm going to apply that underneath the brow bone. Cool, I'm telling you guys, this palette is so pigmented. I haven't used it in so long. So now I'm going to go in with an eyeliner. I'm going to take this one by L.A Girl, the Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. This is in the shade Gotcha. And I'm going to apply it to the waterline, but I actually wanted a little more intensity, a little more a little more pigment, if you will. So I'm going to take the Aviation Arena Collection Electric Pink or Electric Cake Liner, and I'm going to apply a little bit into the waterline as well. Okay, once I have that, I am going back into the palette, and I'm taking the shade Ecstasy, which is a lime green neon eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used for the cake liner, and all I'm going to do is tap it on top. This is so pretty. So I'm going to go in with probably my favorite lashes at the moment, which are the Eylure lashes. Those are like my obsession right now. For the lips, I'm going to use the Colourpop BFF3 lip liner, and to top it off, I'm using this Loreal lipstick. This is my favorite one, but I never remember the name. It's called Ultra Nude. It's really pretty. After you've applied your lipstick, this is the completed look. What do you guys think of this like brown smoky eye with a pop of green? I love it. I was waiting for my Raw Beauty Christie palette to come in the mail. Called customer service and my palette hasn't even shipped out yet. I swear you guys, I have the worst luck when it comes to like launches and me actually getting the stuff in time, but as soon as I get that palette in the mail, I'm definitely going to be doing some tutorials for you guys. I just need to wait for me to get it, but I originally wanted to create this look with this palette. Unfortunately, it wasn't here in time, so I just had to pull out some palettes and work with what I had. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Today's Makeup Monday. I hope you guys recreate this look. I am dying to see you guys' recreations. As always, send me your pictures on Instagram through my DMs. If you add them to your story and you tag me, it's so much easier for me just to add them to my story. And then you can always just tag me on Instagram and I will get a chance to see your beautiful faces with my recreations. So thank you guys so much for being here again. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, be safe. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.